Hello boys and girls and welcome to another shout out. This is a shout out with a bit of a difference. This banner that you can see here has been done for me by a guy called Michael Miller who runs a YouTube channel called Try M Creations. He was very kind to do this for me for free. I believe he's doing one for Eva Harvey Art as well, and he's also done one for Jonny at JM Art with Detail, which I'll show you in a minute. But I wanted to do Michael a shout out of his own because he was so kind enough to do this banner for me. And there's the banner on my YouTube channel, as you can see, and that's the one for Jonny, JM Art with Detail. Jonny's a great artist as well, so if you could go over and support him if you haven't already. I've already done a shout out for Jonny in the past, but if you could go over and support him, that would be great. His link will also be in the description along with Michael. But for Michael, describes himself as a unique, inspiring artist, as you can see from his header there on his channel. And he's very diverse. He draws, he paints, he does 3D graphic art, buildings, technical stuff like that, uses Photoshop. He's from the United States, and he has got quite a unique style. He's very confident, very bubbly, very funny. So please go over and support him if you can. I thought I'd do him his own shout out here to say thanks for doing the banner for me. So I'm going to let some of his artwork play now to some music so you can look through it at your leisure. I particularly like some of the drawings he's done. One of Balquan, a Korean pop singer, which you'll see in a moment. Superman versus Batman keyrings that he drew. And he's just done a drawing, a colour one, of Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas for Halloween. So please go over and support Rick. The link will be in the description, and thanks for watching, guys.